past it?
Yeah.
Alright, tell me.
It's right there.
Like on one of these streets right here?
No, so I guess you gotta turn over there.
And go inside there?
You go inside like this. Alright, so we are going to our first appointment.
Our first appointment? That's crazy.
I look very tired because
Oh, buddy, calm down.
that's
Sorry, you're gonna have to redo it again.
because that's how I am nowadays, just tired. Oh my god, it's dying. Yo, this camera. That's how you know how tired I am. Like I didn't even like think to charge it. It's around here somewhere. Yeah, right here.
Okay.
But I guess it's for another car. Yeah, for another car. So yeah, we are at our first appointment, and hopefully it doesn't take super long time because it usually takes a long time in here, and I'm not gonna wait 2 hours like I always do just to get checked. So yeah, hopefully they do like a sonogram and stuff. Do you know what I mean?
Oh my goodness.
His face is like, oh.
Am I going to cry?
Huh?
Am I going to cry?
I don't know. All right, let's go.
Hello? Take two?
Yeah, we thought we were recording.
So you recorded first. You recorded first.
Yeah. Here's the stuff. Oh boy. Oh my god.
Nancy? How do you feel?
Excited.
Yeah, me too.
It's a little weird.
Me too, yeah. And like I said, I don't know how to act. How am I supposed to act?
Normal.
What's a dad thing to do over here?
Ew, that. Oh man.
And I'm not crying right now. It's just my nose.
Yeah, we're both sick, so.
Oh, it's gonna be on there. I almost pointed at your face. Right here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So weird. Oh my god.
Bye. 7 weeks, 4 days. Hello.
Oh my god.
Hi, baby.
Oh my god.
I'm so happy.
Me too.
I can't believe this is the first time seeing him or her.
They don't want to give us pictures.
We should ask her. Huh?
Yeah. Oh, too late.
We can ask her. No, when the lady comes back. No. But, can we get pictures? And then she'll probably send her back in here.
All right, let me change. All right, guys. So it is a little dark in here, but we went to the appointment. It was super nice. You see, when you have this type of appointments, you have to get yourself a doctor that is caring, is loving, it's patient, it's not rushed. You know, obviously you're not gonna find somebody that's gonna be like, oh, you know, you poor little, you know, not like that, but you have to be like loving and stuff like that. And this place, I've been disliking it for so long, and I just went because, you know, we're moving, so I was like, whatever, you know. But they just suck there. Like, the lady didn't even have a printer to print the thing for me, the sonogram. So I didn't even get a sonogram. I had to take a picture with my phone. It was just not, it was just like, it was a special moment. Like, me and Jose were like, oh my god, like we saw the heartbeat. It was so little in there. It was, I was like, oh my god, it's crazy. Like, I was like, oh my god, that's like, what? It's crazy. So she said I am 7 weeks and 4 days. But I mean, my app says that today I'm 8 weeks, so I don't know which I'm gonna follow. I guess I'm just gonna follow the date that the new doctor that I'm gonna find tells me, but I'm just gonna make sure she's like loving and nice and stuff like that. But it was just so cute. Oh my god, let me see, look at the picture. It's so nice. Cannot believe there's like a baby in there. Like what? That's crazy. But yeah, Josue is like really excited. He's like, I don't know, he's like, he feels weird and I feel weird, so we're just like weird together. Like we're just like, there's a baby in there. It was so cute. So my camera's dying, so I am gonna keep talking to you guys in a little bit. Bye guys.